If your Squarespace website is showing a privacy error, don't panic. In most cases, this happens because a brand new domain is still propagating across the internet, or because the SSL certificate hasn't fully settled yet. New domains can take up to 48 to 72 hours to globally propagate their DNS settings, so sometimes the issue fixes itself with a little time. But if you want to speed up the process and re-trigger the SSL check, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps. If this video helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and select the website that's showing the error. Once you're inside the site settings, use the top search bar if you see it, or manually go to Settings, then Developer Tools, and then SSL. This is the section where Squarespace manages your secure connection settings. Now look for the SSL option. You should see your site set to secure, which is usually the preferred setting. To refresh that SSL state, switch it from secure preferred to insecure. Don't worry, this is only temporary and part of the reset process. After changing it, wait exactly 5 minutes. This gives the backend enough time to clear the frozen SSL state and drop the old record. Once the 5 minutes are up, go back into the same SSL settings and switch the toggle back to secure. If you see an HSTS secure option, make sure that is checked as well if it's available for your site. This helps reinforce the secure connection and can help the certificate re-verify properly. After that, do not just refresh your current page. Instead, open your site in a completely fresh Incognito or private browsing tab. This is important because your normal browser may still be storing old certificate data or cached errors. In the private window, load your site again and check whether the certificate has re-verified and the privacy error is gone. If the site still shows the warning, remember that DNS propagation can still be in progress, especially for newly connected domains. In that case, give it some more time and check again later. But in many cases, this SSL toggle reset can help Squarespace reissue or recheck the secure certificate. So to recap, wait for DNS propagation. If the domain is brand new, switch SSL from secure to insecure, wait 5 minutes, switch it back to secure, and then test the site in an incognito window. That's the fastest way to troubleshoot a Squarespace privacy error. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.